In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Zomee Fit, including the parts, modes, and settings. We've included recommended pump modes and settings to help you get started, but everybody is different, so feel free to adjust based on what feels best for you. Your Zomee Fit comes pre-assembled with the following core parts: pump motors, 6-ounce collection containers, a 25mm breast shield comes attached. You'll also find sizes 21mm and 17mm in your accessories kit. If none of those fit right, call our mom line to activate the Perfect Fit Promise, free replacement shields in any size you need. Breast shield body, which connects the breast shield to the pump motor. Diaphragms, which create suction and prevent milk from backing up into the tubing or motor. And a duckbill valve for maintaining the suction and performance of your pump. You'll also find these helpful replacement parts and accessories: diaphragms, which should be replaced as needed, duckbill valves, which should be replaced every 1 to 3 months, collection container lids for storing your milk, a collection cup cleaning brush, bra strap adjusters for adjusting your bra to ensure the pump stays in place, and a USB Type-C charging cable. For extra support, you'll receive a nipple ruler guide and a printed instruction manual in both English and Spanish. We recommend washing all washable parts that come into contact with milk after each use using warm soapy water. Let them dry completely before reassembling your pump. If you'd like to sterilize occasionally, immerse the washable parts in boiling water. For more information, check your user manual. Need support? Contact our mom line at 1-888-662-7159 to speak with experienced moms and certified lactation consultants.